G'day folks, welcome back to another video. Hope everyone's doing well, and I'm just bringing you along. I've updated one of my grow beds and just bringing you along to show you what I've done. Okay, what I've done is extended the legs on this grow bed to make it 1 meter high. What I'm thinking about doing is my sump tank over here. Is putting my sump tank underneath this grow bed, and that frees up a lot of room to put in my second fish tank as well. I've also, what I've done is I've upgraded the plumbing on this grow tank. So if you can see down under here, what I've done is I've got 20mm pipe going along for the drain to drain all the water out of these two grow beds. I'm going to do this with all my grow beds, but what I'm going to do is just 2 grow beds joined together and run into the sump tank, and then another 2 grow beds joined together running to the sump tank, and so on. It's a lot neater, it's working fine. I have no problems with the siphon with it. And yeah, like I said, it looks a lot neater. I don't glue any of my pipes, I just use the tape around them to sort of keep them so they don't fall out. They don't leak or anything. I sort of don't have any trouble like that. Netting on this one, stop the butterflies getting in. I've planted some cauliflower in this one. Was planted yesterday. They're not looking too bad at the moment, so yeah, happy with that. The grow bed is a little bit higher, but I just think that with this grow bed I can grow the smaller plants in this one and keep my other ones a little bit lower. This one's got broccoli in it. They're not doing too bad. If you're new to the channel, my media in here is lava rock. It's, for me, it's cheap to get the lava rock, so that's basically what I use. That pipe work going across is just the water feeding my other grow beds at the moment. This is my crazy tomatoes, just going absolutely nuts at the moment. Couple of front tomatoes here are cherry tomatoes and the rest are Roma tomatoes. I'll take you around and show you a few of these tomatoes, and I'll bring you back to that grow bed. So that's my tomatoes, just starting to show a bit of colour on them now, which is not too bad either. But yeah, there's a lot of fruit here. This thing hanging is just an experiment with the snake beans, and I'm just seeing how they go. But yeah, it's all going well. The plumbing for this runs back into my sump tank there, and yep, quite happy with it. Works fine. So I thought I'd just bring you along and show you what I've done. I will be painting it. I just was in a bit of a hurry to get it back in and get the collies and broccoli growing. But otherwise, no, growing quite well. Alright folks, hope you're all having a good day, and I hope you're all staying safe and not going too stir crazy being locked up. And I shall catch you next video. If you're new to the video, please subscribe and hit that little bell, and YouTube will let you know when I post more videos. If you would like to comment on anything, please put the comments down in the comment section and I will get back to you. Okay folks, have a good day.